and string one step at a time. Big flat granite foot, it is 60 wide. Gravel sub base down, geotextile on the side. Strip the turf, lay the cloth, spray the gravel bed. Each stone level 1 foot step ahead. Soft routes, get the woodchip logs along the side. Untreated timber only, let the forest decide. Now the line is laid and the ground runs true. The path is calling you. Follow the stones, follow the stones. They lead you home, they lead you home. Stone by stone on the desire line. Follow the stones, they lead you home. Bottle border next, dig a narrow trench next. Down in the sand, tamp it firm and then sharp edges buried 2 centimeters down. Gloved hand test it before bare feet touch ground. Slate markers now off, cut from the roof. Chisel in the letters, cut them wet, that's the proof. All the edges smooth, so they're kind to the skin. Epoxy plus a ground pin, set it straight, lock it in there. Follow the stones, follow the stones. They lead you home, they lead you home. Stone by stone on the desire line. Follow the stones, they lead you home. Hear the crew chief now. A wobbly stone is a twisted ankle. Rock test everyone, bet it till it's still. Glass you didn't bury is a barefoot morning ruin. 2 centimeters under or covered, that's the rule. And a path that ignores the desire line. The people will ignore the path. Build where they already walk. Pallet-Woods and dripwood, send them smooth and clean. Dark text on the light board, easy to be seen. Legible from 5 meters, brace it from the gale. Plant the post down deep so it never tips or fails. Stop the woodchip every year with the gravel tight. Check the glass board a monthly